Later we have seen when the terms was C naught, C2x square, C4x raised to the power 4, C6x raised to the power 6. Then we replaced x by 1 into x and x replaced by minus 1 into x. I'm again saying this type of question coming in IIT JEE. So please focus in that. Very quality type of questions these are. So now here we have already seen that now the gap between the terms is of the power 3. So we will target the cube roots of probability. So take cube roots of unity. What is the possible cube root of unity? Obviously z raised to the power 1 raised to the power 1 by 3. So that will come cos 2k pi plus iota sine 2k pi whole raised to the power 1 by 3. That will come. So that will be cos 2k pi by 3 plus iota sine 2k pi by 3. That will be e raised to the power iota 2k pi by 3, and k will be 0, 1 and 2. That will be always started from 0 and will be 1 lesser than the degree of the z. Here the degree of z was the 3 only. So the z will come, if you're going to put k equal to 0, 1 will come. If you're going to put k equal to 1, that will come e raised to the power iota 2 pi by 3. And later if you're going to put 2, e raised to the power 4 pi iota by 3, that will come. Okay, got it? So suppose, okay, usually the name of these one are 1 omega and omega square, their specific name. I can also take the alpha and alpha square, but their specific names is 1 omega and omega square. So you must be knowing, okay, what is your name? 1 omega omega square. So 1 plus omega square, that will be equal to what? That will be equal to what? 1 plus omega square, that will be equal to what? Sum of nth root of unity.
0.
0. Sum of nth root of unity always will equal to 0. Not here only this one. 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus up to the whatever nth roots of unities are there. Sum of nth roots of unity always will be equal to 0. And sum of pth power of nth root of unity either will be n or will be equal to 0. You know very well when it's gonna be 0 and when it's gonna be 1. So now my question, these will be there. So definitely x will be replaced by 1 into x. Later the x will be replaced by omega x, and later the x will be replaced by omega square x. Are you ready for that? Now are you ready for that? I'm asking. Are you ready for that? For the replacement? Reply. Are you ready for that? Hey, reply. I'm not getting the voice from your side. Ready? Yes. Yes, you are saying sending your reply. The network problem is there. That's why the reply is not coming to me at the time. So now, actual equation will be this: C naught, C1x, C2x square, C3x cube, C4x raised to the power 4, and up to the goes to Cn x raised to the power n. Now x will be replaced by this replacement. So that will be that replacement, actually again this one will come again. Now see, if I replace x by 1 into x, that will again come 1 plus x. So I'm not doing this replacement. So this replacement will be 1 plus omega x raised to the power n. So in whole equation, x will be replaced by omega x. So that will come c naught, c1 omega x, c2 omega square x square, c3 omega cube x cube, c4 omega raised to the power 4 x raised to the power 4, c5 omega raised to the power 5 x raised to the power 5 plus up to the cn omega raised to the power n x raised to the power n. Okay, letter 1 plus omega square x raised to the power n, that will become c naught, c1 omega square x, c2 omega raised to the power 4 x square, c3 omega raised to the power 6 x cube, c4 omega raised to the power 8 x raised to the power 4, c5 omega raised to the power 10 x raised to the power 5, cn omega raised to the power 2n x raised to the power n. Okay, please reply. Okay, Okay, these terms are fixed actually. Okay, hey, reply. Got it or not? Either say yes or say no. Reply. Okay, so you guys are saying replying at a time, but I am not getting these at a time. So now what will I do? See, always the procedure will be fixed. Now what I will do? Sum all these above equation. Now listen, 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus omega x raised to the power n, 1 plus omega square x raised to the power n. Okay, now Kumara, what will be the coefficient of C naught will be there? See, C naught, C naught, C naught. Then 3 C naught will come or not? 3 C naught will come. Later, what is the coefficient of C1 will be there? C1, C1x. What is the coefficient of C1x? C1x is getting out. C1x is getting out. That will be 1 plus omega square. What is the coefficient will be of C2x square? Here is your C2x square. C2x square, what it will come? 1 plus omega square plus omega raised to the power 4. What is the coefficient of C3 will come? C3x cube. 1 plus omega cube plus omega raised to the power 6. What is the term of come of the C4x raised to the power 4? 1 plus omega raised to the power 4 plus omega raised to the power 8. You can see very well. See here. See C4, C4, and letter 1 is the C4 here. C4 x raised to the power 4. 1 will come from here, omega raised to the power 4 come from here, omega raised to the power 8 come from here. Got it? What is the coefficient is possible? C5 x raised to the power 5. 1 plus omega raised to the power 5 plus omega raised to the power 10. And what is the coefficient of Cn x raised to the power n? 1 plus omega raised to the power n plus omega raised to the power 2n. Okay, this will be there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now beta, see, look, listen to me. What is the what is this? C naught leave about C1. What is this one? What is this one? That is nth root of unity or not? That is nth root of unity or not? Reply please. This is nth root of
Yes, sir.
unity. So nth root of
Yes,
unity,
sir.
sum of nth root of unity. So this will be 0. So finally 3 C naught will come, and C naught, sorry, C1 x, that will become 0. That will become 0. That will become 0. Beta, reply please. That will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
C2 x square. Now look at here. See, what is C2 x square? That is second power of nth root of unity, like 1 square plus omega square plus omega square raised to the power 2. That is the second power of second power of cube root of unity. Is this or not? Second power of cube root of unity. This is second power of cube root
Yes,
of
sir.
unity. Okay, that it will be what? Either see a pth power of nth root of unity. Either it will be 0 or it will be n. When it will be 0, if p is multiple of n, that will be if p is the multiple of n, that will be n. And if p is not multiple of n, that will be 0. So my question is to you, what is the value of this term? What is the value of this term? Reply. What is the value of this term? Reply. Either it will be 3 or it will be 0. Reply. Yes, it will be 0. Getting it or not? That is the 2 power of, that is the power of 2 of cube root of unity. So pth power of nth root of unity, that will be 0. If p is not multiple of, yes, everyone is getting good. So now beta, I'm very sure about that that you have known already, sir. This one will be 0. Next, C3 x cube. Now this one, what is it is written? It is actually 1 raised to the power 3, omega raised to the power 3, and omega square raised to the power 3. It will be what? 0 or 3? Reply. It will 0 or 3? Reply.
0.
I slap you out. 0. Cube roots of unity. 3 power of cube root of unity. What is the value of p is there? What are you doing this? Cube root of unity. Not every term will be 0. What are you doing there? What is the power? What is the number of p is there? P is 3. Is this not the multiple of 3? That will be 1. Sorry, 3. Yes, it will be 3. 3. Again, C4, x raised to the power 4. These are the fourth power of cube root of unity. That will become 0. Again, C5, x raised to the power fifth power of cube root of unity, 0. Again, C6, x raised to the power 6. Sixth power of cube root of unity. That will become 0. Surya says, I got a message from Ashwin Surya. He says, I will be regular from tomorrow. Let's see. Got it? Priyadarshini got it? Priyadarshini, Kumarakuru, Manish, everyone got it? Got it? Reply. Surya, not Surya. Kumarakuru, everyone got it? Okay, Kumarakuru says yes. Priyadarshini, yes, sir. Okay. Yes, Kumarakuru, please come on the mic. Yes, Kumarakuru, come on the mic. Okay. The 6, that will be 1 raised to the power 6, omega raised to the power 6, omega square raised to the power 6. What is 6? Is this not multiple of 3? Is this not multiple of 3? Reply. Is this not multiple of 3? Reply. Is this not multiple of 3? 6 is not multiple of 3. Or should I let you know what the table of the 3 is running? Reply. Reply. I'm not getting your reply. If you are replying, I'm not getting this. Reply. Is this not the multiple? If this the multiple of 3, then how it could be 0? I wrote 0 here just to make you fool, and you just made fool. That will be 3 only. Similarly, if I gonna write C7 x raised to the power 7, seventh root of cube root unity, 0. C8 x raised to the power 8, eighth root of cube root of unity, 0. Eighth power of cube root of unity. C9 x raised to the power 9, that will be 0. C, yes, 3. This time not 3. Yes, 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 yes. So C10 x raised to the power 10, that will be 0, and so on. So what I will get if I gonna to sum them all? I will only get 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus omega x raised to the power n, 1 plus omega square x raised to the power n. That will come 3 times c0 c3x cube plus c6 x raised to the power 6 plus c9 x raised to the power 9 plus c12 x raised to the power 12, and so on. Got it? So the value of c0, c3 x raised to the power 3 plus c6 x raised to the power 6 plus c9 x raised to the power 9 plus c12 x raised to the power 12 up to the so on, that will be 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus x raised to the power, sorry, omega x raised to the power n, 1 plus omega square x raised to the power n upon 3. That is your answer. Got it? Got it? The value of this term. The value of this term. We got it. Hey, everyone got it or not? Reply. Reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If he says yes, sir, then kindly find the value of C0, C4, C8, C12. See here x is not there. X is not there here. C 16 up to the so on. Solution. Solution. Direct. What is this? How it will come to us? Reply. How it will come to us? How it will come to us? What we are dropping with respect to the x? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Now the challenge is different. Let me know how to find and how to handle this problem. Let me know, find faster, faster. What is the different is out there? Priyadarshini, Priyadarshini. Fourth root of unity is out there. So we just need to identify the fourth root of unity. What will be the fourth root of, directly? Z 1 alpha raised to the power alpha square alpha cube only. And what is the alpha? E raised to the power iota 2k pi by 4. Okay, that will be your alpha. Got it? So what we will do, we will get the sum. If we gonna to replaced by x will be replaced by 1x, x will be replaced by alpha x will be replaced by alpha square x will be replaced by alpha cube x. So how I will get 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus x alpha x raised to the power n, 1 plus alpha square x raised to the power n, 1 plus alpha cube x raised to the power n. And what while I will get, yes, what is the term will be there? On your mic and let me know. What the term will come at that side? I got a message. I got a sir, but there is no x. Yes, I know that. That is the challenge only. There is no x. I will let you know. First, you tell me, then what it come here. On your mic and let me know. What the come in, what will come in RHS. Open your mic and let me know. Let me know. Open your mic and let me know.
4C naught.
4C naught plus 4 is coming common for everywhere. Then C4 x raised to the power 4. Then C8 x. Yes, 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 yes. C12 x raised to the power 12 and up to the so on. Nas Kumara, but x is not coming there. So what is the treatment for x? What is the treatment
Sir,
for
we
x?
put x equal to 1, sir.
Yes, x replaced by 1 only. Now the problem is solved. That is 1, not 1. That will be 2 raised to the power, good. 2 raised to the power 4. 1 plus alpha raised to the power 4. 1 plus alpha square raised to the power 4. 1 plus alpha cube raised to the power 4. And that will be your, okay, upon and whole upon 4 divided by whole 4. And that will come C0, C4, C8, C12, C16 and so on. But still your problem is not complete. Now this term, suppose this was given term is t. So your t will be equal to, I'm just considering this one is t. Why? Because every time I don't want to write this long expression. So t will be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus alpha. What is 1 plus alpha will be? 1 plus, that is your alpha. So if you want to put k equal to 1, that will come cos 2 pi by 4 plus iota sine 2 pi by 4 raised to the power n plus 1 plus, if you wanted to put k equal to 2 there, that will come.
Sir, rise
Yeah.
to the power 4, ma.
Sorry, beta. Sorry. My mistake. 4. 1 plus cos. If you wanted to put, now this time the k was 1. Now the k will be 2. So k 4 pi plus 4 plus iota sine 4 pi by 4 raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus cos. This time 3 will come. So 6 pi upon 4 plus iota sine 6 pi upon 4 whole raised to the power 4. So what it will come? Okay, upon whole multiply by the 4 only. So this time your t will come. Your t will come 2 raised to the power 4. Now what will come? See, that is 1 plus cos, that is pi by 2 only. So cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So that will come 1 plus iota raised to the power 4. Similarly, this one is what? Pi. Cos pi is what? What is the cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1. So that is 1 minus 1, and sin pi is 0 plus 0 raised to the power 4 plus this one. What is this one? That will come 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So 1 plus 0 minus iota raised to the power 4 and whole raised to the power 1 upon 4. It will become 1 upon 4, 2 raised to the power 4, 1 plus iota raised to the power 4 plus that will be 0, 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. Got it? Got it? That will come. Still your answer is not came. Still your answer is not came. Now will your answer came on. T is 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus iota raised to the power 4 plus 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. Now there is two way. Either you can expand them, or you don't want to expand them. That is one way is or. What is 1 plus iota? You must be knowing what is their argument. 1 plus iota. What is 1 plus iota? Can you convert them into the, can you convert them? Okay, listen. What is their argument is possible? What is the argument? The angle with the x-axis only. How to find now? See, 1 plus iota. That is the one positive axis, and that is the iota y-axis. That is the representation. What is iota y? Nothing. Or you can say y-axis. In the y, here will be 1, comma 2, comma 3. Here will be iota, 2 iota, and 3 iota. I'm just letting you the very simple formula. Where will it be the 1 plus iota? That is 1, that is iota. That the point will be 1 plus iota. Here the coordinate are not lying in the form of 1. You can also write 1 iota, 1 comma iota is also side. Okay, and that point is actually equivalent to 1 comma iota is actually equivalent to 1 plus iota. Okay, so now what is the angle of this line with the x-axis? What is the angle of this line with x-axis? That is pi by 4. Pi by 4, 1 comma 1 only. 1 comma 1 only. Okay, so 1 comma 1 only. So what is the argument of this one is pi by 4. Similarly, what is the argument of this one? That line will be 1 minus iota. 1 minus iota will be this one only. 1 minus iota. This line will be there only. What is the angle of this one? See, here the angle used to find 0 to pi and 0 to minus pi. Positive or negative only. So this will be minus pi by 4 or not? So argument of this one is minus pi by 4. Got it? Got it? Please reply. Got it? Got it? Reply please. Okay. 2 raised to the power 4. So see, if the argument is theta of any number, that will be e raised to the power iota theta. So this one will be e raised to the power iota pi by 4 plus whole raised to the power 4. And this one is e raised to the power minus iota pi by 4. And that will be 4. So this one 1 by 4 whole 2 raised to the power 4 plus e raised to the power iota pi by 4 into 4 plus e raised to the power minus iota pi by 4 in. Yes. Yes, sorry, the network was not there, that's why. Network was not there, unfortunately, so that's why. The t will be 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4, that will be e raised to the power iota pi by 4 into 4 plus e raised to the power minus iota pi by 4 into 4. So that will be 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4, e raised to the power iota pi plus e raised to the power minus iota pi. That will be 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4, that will be cos pi plus iota sin pi. That will be cos pi minus iota sin pi. Cancel, cancel. Only one. Negative part is cancelled only. 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 cos pi. And that is becoming 1 by 4, 2 raised to the power 4. Cos pi is minus 1, minus 2. That is your answer. Got it, Kumara Kuru, Priyadarshini. Got it? Reply. Got
Sir,
it?
sir, how to change pi by 4 to e to the power iota pi by
Yeah,
4 into
yeah,
4?
yeah. Sorry, what you said? 1 plus iota high replace convert by iota pi by 4, right? This one is you asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see beta. Okay, now see. I'm taking 1 plus iota was there. So first take this one. That is your x-axis and that is your y-axis. That is your 1, 2, 3, 4. And that point is iota, 2 iota, 3 iota. Now you will say, sir, here the 1, 2, 3 is only coming, iota will not come. So see, this is imaginary mathematics. So this time these axes called the imaginary axis. Y axis called imaginary axis when we use the complex number only. So if I want to point this one, how I can point this number 1 plus iota. Take, see, that is the x. You must be knowing x plus iota y. So what is a y? Y is 1 only. So that is iota y this one and iota x this one. This number is this only. This number is 1 plus iota. Now I will take the angle with the x-axis. So I will connect it to origin. So what is this angle? This angle is pi by 4. So I got its argument. So argument of 1 plus iota is equal to pi by 4. Similarly, if I'll talk about the 1 minus iota. So you must be knowing when the 1 minus iota, where the 1 minus iota will find. That is 1, that is minus iota. So this will be this only. So see, if I'll say axis with the angle with the x-axis, we will not count like this. Why? Because this is a rule of complex number. If the number is available in first quadrant or second quadrant, you can go through like this. But if the number is available in second and third quadrant, fourth and third quadrant, you have to go like this negatively. So 0 to minus pi will be count. This will count 0 to minus pi. This will count 0 to pi. I'm sorry. So this angle is pi by 4 or minus pi by 4. So argument of 1 minus iota is minus pi by 4. Got it? So if you find any argument of any complex number like this, then you can write it e raised to the power iota pi by 4. And you can like this minus iota pi by 4. Now you just can remember when we read the complex number, I will let you know all this knowledge in deep that time only. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So my next question is, what is the 1 plus root 3 if I'll say 1 plus root 3 by root 3 iota. How you will find the argument of this one? Kumara, how you will find? 1 is there and root 3 is there, root 3 iota. That number will be this one only. What is
Yes,
this?
sir.
Beta, what is this number? What is this angle? Very easily. Draw the triangle. That is root 3. That is 1. This is theta. So tan theta will be root
60.
3 by 1. So that is coming 3 is 60 degree. So what is the polar representation? E raised to the power iota pi by 3. Got it? Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Got it, sir.
Got it now? Okay. If you got it, then find the value of C naught, C5, C10, C15, C20, and so on. Now, don't say, sir, sum of the fifth root of unity. Find the actual answer as I found here. Find the actual answer as I found here. That will be given in the option in IIT JEE Advanced. Okay, here the option will not match the sum of fifth root of unity. Now let me know what the answer is coming. Faster, do. Have your pen and pencil and let me know the answer. Do faster. I'm I'm pausing the recording. Okay, you can do like this. See directly because in IIT JEE Advanced, you will not get that much time that you can the whole question the procedure wise. Direct do. Okay. Am I audible? Reply beta. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. So just replaced x by 1x. X alpha x replaced by alpha square x replaced by alpha cube x, and x replaced by alpha raised to the power 4x. This is called the speed only. So what you are, see, just forget about the this term. That will come 5 into c naught, c5 x raised to the power 5, c10 x raised to the power 10, and so on. And this side will come 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus alpha x raised to the power n, plus 1 plus alpha square x raised to the power n, and so on. Finally 1 plus alpha raised to the power n. Again and again network is breaking. Getting it now? So this time 5, and put this one as t, and that is the 1 plus x raised to the power n, 1 plus alpha x raised to the power n, plus up to the 1 plus alpha 4x raised to the power n. Now put x equal to 1 both sides. So here in the t, right now it is not t, that is c naught, c5 x raised to the power 5, c10 x raised to the power 10, and so on. Now it will become t, 5t, and that one is 2 raised to the power n. Hey,
Sir,
in a
2 raised to the power 5 now.
2 raised to the power
5.
no, no, beta, 2 raised to the power n will come because we are taking the power n only. In our last question, we did the mistake only. By mistake, and I write 2 raised to the power. That will be 2 raised to the power n. Please, because now the screen is vanished out. The last slides are gone because the network is bricked. And that time also the 2 raised to the power n will be there. By mistake, and I write it there. Hey, these are the two. This is
Okay,
everywhere.
sir.
Everywhere the power is n there. Then how it could be the power of 2? Getting it? I'm talking to everyone. That was 2 raised to the power n, not 2 raised to the power 4. Getting it or not? Reply.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, and that will be 1 plus alpha raised to the power n. Yes, yes. Okay, so in your notebook, I want the complete solution with the alpha 2 raised to the power, not that was not 4, that was the n only. Now the condition is how to find the alpha. Alpha is e raised to the power iota 2 pi by 2k pi by 4 only. That was the alpha. That will come z only. 2k pi by 5. I'm sorry, 5. So if you're gonna to put k equal to 1, alpha will come. So your alpha will be e raised to the power iota 2 pi by 5. Your alpha square will be e raised to the power iota 4 pi by 5. And this will come e raised to the power iota 8 pi by, no, 6 pi by 5. E raised to the power, if you're gonna to put 4, that will come e raised to the power iota 8 pi by 5 only. Got it? Got it
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Okay. So now this term 2 raised to the power n. See how to manage. This term will come 1 plus cos 2 pi by 5 plus iota sine 2 pi by 5 raised to the power n, plus 1 plus cos 4 pi by 5 plus iota sine 4 pi by 5 whole raised to the power n, plus 1 plus cos, uh, that will be gonna to put 3,
6 pi by 5.
6 pi by 5 plus iota sine 6 pi by 5, and finally 1 plus, that is the n, cos 8 pi by 5 plus iota sine 8 pi by 5 whole raised to the power n. Now see how to solve them. First will be 2 raised to the power n plus 1. 1. See, I can apply the formula cos 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, and what is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So that will become 1 plus cos 2 theta. That will become 2 cos square pi by 5 plus iota 2 sine pi by 5 plus uh, uh, 2 sine pi by 5 cos pi by 5 whole raised to the power n. What I did? 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is